Hey girls, Jackie Best here, Premier Designs jewelry stylist, jewelrywithjackie.com. I am so excited to be back for a new season of my Ways to Wear It Wednesday series where I share some of our favorite pieces and all the versatility and all the ways that you can wear it, and then mix and match with some other pieces as well. Say hello to my brand new mannequin named Mandy. She is my upgrade from my last one. I'm super excited to use her today. And today we're talking about this beautiful necklace called Delicate Mix. This is brand new from our 2019 fall collection. So excited to share the versatility of this one. First of all, let's bring her up close so you can see this necklace a little more up close. This is a multiple stranded necklace, but all of this comes in one. So first you have this beautiful antique gold chain with this really nice pendant. I love the stone on this because it has a little bit of gray, but it shimmers really lovely. And it is the same on both sides. So no matter if it moves around, you're not going to have to turn it from back to front. And then this two-stranded chain here stays together, and that has beautiful little beads that you can just see peeking out, and those are all different colors. So if you're familiar with our cashmere necklace at all, that has been one of our best sellers, it matches everything. This to me is the new cashmere. It's absolutely gorgeous and goes with everything. So let's talk about the necklace and what it does. First of all, the necklace does come apart like so many of our other necklaces. So out of the box, it is going to be attached all together. But if you wanted to, you could just remove the shorter strand and you could have this really delicate two-stranded necklace together. Love that look. Very delicate, and something that you could definitely wear to the office, but also wear out. Definitely versatility. Same way you could wear the shorter necklace if you wanted to, if you maybe had something else that you wanted to wear with it. One of the ways I wanted to play with this one, because it is a little more advanced, but I think it's so fun, is our crisscross applesauce that I like to do. And if you've seen, I have a whole nother video about crisscross applesauce, so you can go ahead and watch that if you need more information about that. But the basics of it is you're going to undo the clasp, and you're going to actually separate the two strands of this long necklace. You're going to hang it over your head so that the clasps on both ends are on either side. Here comes the crisscross. You're going to crisscross in front of yourself and then clasp behind your neck. Now, sometimes when you do this, it takes a second. It might look kind of funky for a minute, but as soon as you clasp it, you can then play with it, and you will see, as I'm sure you already can, that it will actually make a multi-level necklace. How fun is that? So now with just the longer strand, just those delicate strands, you have this beautiful long multi-tiered necklace. You could even take the original piece that we had, the pendant, and you can layer that back in, and that will go, because of the length, beautifully right here. Isn't that so fun? So you can rewind if you need to see that one again. And again, I have that separate video about crisscross applesauce. But how fun that you can really change up the look. You can take this one necklace and wear it so many different ways. So let's put it back together real quick, and I'll show you some other things, some other pieces that you might want to consider when wearing this. I'm going to leave the longer strand on for now and show you some other necklaces that would go really beautifully with this one. The first one that I want to show you is also new, and this one is called Tamed. This is a beautiful matte gold short chain, and it has these two cabochons. One is a black and one is ivory. Now, it actually is shown in the catalog with either wearing one or the other, not with both, but I just have both on there so that I don't lose it, because that's what'll happen for me. So you can just pop this short necklace on. You could just wear one of the cabochons or both, but do you see how it just helps frame your neck there? Bringing attention up to your face, away from your hips, is always a good idea. And likewise, if you would prefer to wear the black, you could switch that out, just pull the other one off, and you could wear the black as well. Or, hey, wear both. Doesn't matter to me. Now, the earrings that I'm actually wearing come with another piece. They are animal print, but if you can see, they have the little ivory cabochon, so they would match perfectly. And these are called Wild Thing. They actually have a complete animal print that goes with it that I don't have in front of me, but I just wanted to mention that as well. Another necklace that would be absolutely gorgeous with this is our new modern necklace. This is from our refined collection, so it's very simple, very sleek, but with this one, it actually has a slide in the back. So you can change the length of this necklace very easily, whether you would like it long or short. And so again, just helping to kind of bring attention to the face, away from the hips. Perfect. You could wear it longer if you wanted to, or really up short if you wanted to wear it more like a choker. So that is our modern necklace. And then lastly, one that I kind of pulled and I wasn't sure if it would work, but I really like it, is our brand new olive necklace. So this is another two-stranded necklace, very delicate, and that matte antiqued gold. And it has a shorter strand that's just a tiny little crystal, and then a longer strand that is a beautiful olive tassel. And so how pretty, because there's actually some olive beads in here. So this strand from Delicate Mix has all different colors. And so it really just helps that to pop. How pretty is that? I definitely need to rock that one soon. Now, some earrings and bracelets that you might want to consider. First of all, our Frolic earrings are brand new and absolutely gorgeous. These would be my number one choice for this look. I love the movement with the hoops. I love the arrows going down. They're definitely a statement earring, but very light. And then sort of my everyday go-to when I'm wearing gold are our Essence earrings. They come in silver also. I wear them all the time. They're hammered metal, super light and easy to wear. You can wear them casual or dress them up. A couple bracelets that you would want to take a look at. This is one of my faves, our Passion bracelet. So it's an antiqued, almost a bronze color. It's a cuff bracelet with a toggle closure, but on the inside is something extra special that only you know when you're wearing it. There is an inscription. She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. And so that goes absolutely perfectly with that antiqued color of the Delicate Mix necklace. If you wanted something a little more sleek, you might want to consider our Infinite Bliss bracelet. This is the gold. It also comes in silver. Very sleek, very modern, but definitely goes with this look as well. Really mix and match your pieces, which I think is so fun. So ladies, I want to thank you so much for watching this first episode of the fall collection for Ways to Wear It Wednesday. I hope you got some great ideas. As always, I ask you to like, comment, and share with your friends. And if you want to purchase any of these or take a look, please go to my website, jewelrywithjackie.com. Until next time, be blessed.